solve the given system of equations by either Gaussian elimination or Gauss-Jorden elimination. So you are given this system of equation. First of all, you need to rewrite it. You need to put it into a matrix form. Basically, you just take the leading coefficient of x, y, and z and put it down into a matrix form. Okay, so the goal is to get the one in diagonal lines and the rest entries are 0. So this is what I mean by getting the one in diagonal line and the rest zeros. So you can get it into downward diagonal line or upward diagonal line, doesn't matter, but we used to work with downward diagonal line because it's easy to see. You can do the opposite way, it's up to you. So first, here's my pivot. So I need, and of course, rewrite the first row because we need to keep this as 1. For second row and third row, I need to get this entry 0. How? So let's do the second row first. In order to get this 0, I need to multiply with the first row by -1 and add it up onto the second row. -1 times 1, -1 plus 1, 0. -1 times 0, 0 plus 2, 2. -1 times 2, -2 minus 2, -4. -2 times 8, -16 plus 4. Oh, my bad. Multiply the first row by -1. -1 times 8, -8 plus 4, -4. Okay. Alright, now we're done with the second row. Normally you would rewrite the third row, right? And then work on that one more time. But in this case, what I did it in the same step, okay? In order to save time, if you don't see it, you can do step by step, which means that you will need to have another, you will need to have one more matrix. Okay, so now let me cover the second row because we just done it. Now for the third row, how to get this 0? Well, again, multiply the first row by -2 and add it up onto the third row. -2 times 1, -2 plus 2, 0. -2 times 0, 0 plus 5, 5. -2 times 2, -4 minus 6, -10. -2 times 8, -16 plus 6, -10. Okay, so very quickly I can get this 0 and 0 in just one step. Now the next step is to get this 1 because we need to get the one in diagonal line. How? Well, just divide the second row by 2. So 0 divided by 2, 0, 2 divided by 2, 1, -4 divided by 2, -2, -4 divided by 2, -2, and rewrite the first and the third row. Okay, now let's move on. So I have this pivot, now I need to get this 0 because I already have this 0. So how? Let's rewrite the first row. Okay, for the second row, I'm going to use the second row to 0 out the third row. So multiply the second row by -5 and add it up onto the third row. 0, -5 times 0 plus 0 becomes 0. -5 times 1, -5 plus 5, 0. -5 times -2, positive 10 minus 10, 0. -5 times -2, positive 10 plus minus 10, 0. Alright, so look over here. Now you see that you have a 0 row, which means that you will have a dependent variable. So since you have x, z, x, y, so this means that the z will be a dependent variable, and I will call that variable is t. So t could be anything: positive number, negative number, fraction, integer, whatever it is. Okay, so z equal t, and then y equals -2 plus 2t, x equal 8 minus 2t. So in terms of variable z, okay, so here's your final answer. That's it.
If you find the video is helpful, feel free to give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel in order to receive the most current videos. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you won't miss anything. I'll see you next time.